National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until noon Central Standard Time. At 11:30 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cypress, Oregon, 10 miles north of Katy, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Katy, Tomball, Pinehurst, The Woodlands, Spring, Hockley, Magnolia, Stagecoach, Willowbrook, Cypress, and Hooks Airport. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in League City. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Texas.